Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to another video, and welcome to the final one of the 4 countdown coins that we have in the series. This one is countdown 3 from the year 2009. On the back we have the Olympic logo with the Olympic rings in here. We have the hologram for the London Olympics and the Rank Broadley 4th portrait of the Queen. And I read from the back here, it's saying that this is a coin for the 30th Olympiad. It's on one of the countdown series. Countdown 3 was 2009, 2010 was 2, 2011 was 1, and countdown 0 was 2012, which was the year that we staged the Olympics. It says this is the first coin in the countdown series. It's dated 2009. And the reverse, the artist has chosen to depict the sport as swimming, and the figure 3 overlaid to denote the first year of the countdown. The reverse is by Claire Aldridge. So this is a design by Claire Aldridge. This of the 4 countdown coins is probably one of the clearer ones. You can definitely see the figure 3 in the top. From about 1 o'clock through to just after 3 o'clock we have a clock face counting down. The countdown itself, you have a swimmer there in the background, and you have the countdown of 3, and the 3 starts there, goes down, goes back in again, goes down again, goes back out. It is like a digital number 3 that you'd see on a digital alarm clock, as all of the numbers are on these countdown series. You have around the top what I believe is the design of the maybe one of the Olympic venues, the roof of the Olympic venue, and there at around about the 8 o'clock position you have the logo for the Olympics itself, the 2012 Olympics itself. The date of the coin is here in the clock face, 2009, just in that section there, around about the 3 o'clock position. What do you think of this coin? Let me just take you in a bit so you can have a closer look. Has that helped you? There is the 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts of it. You have the Olympic logo here. This clock area here that's got a point of going down also has a date in there of 2009. At the bottom here he's got 3 X's which represent 30 in Roman numerals, Olympiad. And then across the top here is London. Oh, sorry, not. It just says countdown. I thought it said London countdown. It's just countdown across the top there. So, you've seen the coin in close up. Would you like it as one of the coins in your sets? I'm very happy to have this in my set because it's the 4th and last one in the series that I needed to show you. I've done the countdown 0, the countdown 1, 2 and now this 3rd one. There was one other £5 coin from the Olympic series which I've also recorded. I'm not sure if it's gone up yet, and it's the Paralympic one, which is in a bunk pack, a proper bunk pack rather, on one of these black cards. So what do you think? I will be on the lookout for a newer version, a better version, because this one does have a dirty great big crease mark going across it. Now if I can find one cheaply enough, then I will replace this one. However, until I do, I'm glad to have it in my collection. and will be very glad to keep it as part of my collection. Have you got any of these coins? Would you want to collect any of these coins? Let me know in the comments below. A bit of an appeal now. I am trying to grow the channel, so if you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. It didn't take you a second to do it, and also if you haven't already done so, would you please consider joining and subscribing to the channel. I would like very much to grow the channel this year, and you both hitting the like button and subscribing will help the algorithm that puts me in front of new people, or puts my work in front of new people. And until we meet up again in this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, ta-ra now, bye bye.